Hello, it's Miss Hake back again. Okay, this time, instead of adding one, I want you to think about taking away one or subtracting one. So if you have a whole group, let's see, whole group, I'm going to use all the same color just to help see this. A whole group of 1, 2, 3, 4 things. Do you see them? If you take away one, is the group going to get bigger or smaller? So 4 people came, they're having a party. 1 leaves. Is the group getting bigger or smaller? Did you say smaller? Yeah, there's only 3 people left at the party. All right, we're having a party and 1 person leaves. 3 take away 1 person. How many people are left at the party? 2. The group is getting smaller. We're having a party and 1 person leaves. How many people are left? 2 take away 1. 1. The group is getting smaller if we keep taking away or subtracting people. We're having a party and this guy's tired, so he leaves. How many people are left at the party? 1. Take away 1 is 0. Nobody's left. All right. So as the facilitator, you're going to get ready these numbers on one side, and we're going to teach that the 1/ means take it away or subtract it, just like the plus meant add it. And then 1 is what we're going to take away today. So we're going to encourage everybody to make this number in a group. What's this number? 1. Did you say 5? 2, you're right. 3, 4, 5. Take away 1. Well, do we take this one away? No, we still have 5. We have to take it away from here. Take away 1. So what do we have? What do we have left if we took 1 away from 5? Let's move the party over. We have 4. That's right. We have 4. So, oops. Let's try that one more time so we know what we're doing. We've got the big number here, 5. Let's pretend they're all at a party. We got 1 to take away, so this one's coming to get it. Take it away. How many are left? That would be 5 take away 1 is the same as 4. So these guys come to take 1 away. You can get rid of them when you do it. All right. Now we're going to try it with 3, 1, 8, and 9. So leave your groupings on this side. So when we take it up all together, we can see if we got the correct answer. So here you're going to need a group of 3. We'll do 1 more together. And I'm going to let you do your minds on. Uh-oh, this guy's coming to take 1 away. Boop. How many are left? 2. 3 take away 1 is 2. All right, keep going and see how you do. And then when everybody's finished, you can take up your minds on today or keep playing with taking 1 away. All right, bye. See you soon.